On this demo, I will present you two features that are available to users of ProofSpace platform: the SSI OAuth authorization and the verification of social accounts and email addresses. ProofSpace introduces SSI OAuth as an extension to the OAuth 2.0 protocol, enhancing it with the benefits of using SSI and verifiable credentials, including the use of zero-knowledge proofs. This enables more precise authentication and authorization control while fully respecting user privacy. The client initiates the process by accessing a web application, a website, through a mobile or web browser. There, they encounter a deep or web link that redirects them to the authorization interaction page in the ProofSpace app. Next, the client's required credentials are transferred to the customer's ProofSpace service dashboard. The ProofSpace service then proceeds with the verification of these credentials. Depending on the verification result, the client receives either a success or failure message in their ProofSpace app. If the verification is successful, the customer's ProofSpace service triggers a webhook which prompts the ProofSpace OAuth server to generate an authorization token. This token is then delivered to the client's web application. From there, the OAuth flow continues as usual. The social account verification feature allows mobile app users to confirm their ownership of social network and email accounts. Once accounts are verified, users receive verifiable social stamp credential in their ProofSpace app. Currently, ProofSpace supports verification of Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, Google, Discord, GitHub, and email accounts. There are two ways for users of ProofSpace app to verify their social network accounts. The first method is called the web flow. In this flow, the app user visits our social stamp website using a desktop or mobile browser. The second method we call the mobile flow. Any entity that uses the ProofSpace dashboard can add the verified social account as a required credential in their interaction. In this case, the app user can request this credential via an embedded web view pop-up before proceeding with the interaction. In both cases, the initial step is user authorization to ProofSpace social stamp using SSI OAuth. Let's begin with the web flow and verification of my email address. I navigate to the social stamp website, stamps.proofspace.id, and see a QR code. I scan the QR code, which redirects me to the authorization interaction in my ProofSpace app. The user code field is pre-filled automatically from the QR code. By proceeding with the interaction, I share the user code with the ProofSpace service, which verifies the credentials and calls a webhook to the SSI OAuth server for token issuance. This token grants me access to the page with the list of available social stamps. Alternatively, if I use my phone for the same purpose, I will encounter the mobile version of the same website. The mobile version operates identically, except instead of scanning the QR code for authorization, I simply click the Authorize via ProofSpace button. Now I can choose the account I wish to verify, such as my email. I enter my email address and proceed to the next step, where I input my verification code sent to my email. After clicking Confirm, I receive a pop-up message in the app inviting me to receive my credential. Within a moment, I receive my verified email in the ProofSpace app. All social stamps are issued by the ProofSpace ID service, which doesn't retain any data about the issued social stamp credentials. On the ProofSpace ID dashboard, we can only see that the user with a specific notification ID executed a particular interaction. Now, let's explore the mobile flow. Any service using the dashboard can request verified social network credentials from the client during the interaction. To do so, a dashboard admin can add the desired social stamp to the required credential definition section of the interaction. As a dashboard admin, I have added two such credentials to my interaction: an email and a Twitter account. The user can proceed with the interaction only if they share those credentials. If the app user already possesses those credentials, they can click Proceed and the interaction will be executed. If the client lacks those credentials, they can obtain them from the service issuing those credentials. In my case, I have a verified email address in my wallet, but I don't have a verified Twitter account. I click Request and I get to the mobile version of the authorization page. There, I click Authorize via ProofSpace. I am redirected to the web view of the Twitter login page. I click Login and enter my email address and password used to sign into Twitter. Once again, within a few moments, I receive my verified social stamp in the ProofSpace app. Now, I can return to the original interaction that required these two social stamps from me. I see that now I meet the requirements of this interaction. I click Proceed and receive my credentials from the InfoBridge service. Using verified social stamps can be beneficial in various cases. For example, it can assist in user authorization, authentication, or validation, such as proof of liveness to mitigate the risk of Sybil attacks. These credentials can be used by any ProofSpace service an unlimited number of times. On the other hand, zero-knowledge predicates provide a way to specify additional conditions for the required social stamp, such as date of issue. The SSI OAuth significantly simplifies the user experience for login procedures. Moreover, it enhances privacy and security by reducing the potential risk associated with the using sensitive information like login credentials. Thank you for watching.